Today we are here to provide an update on the security plan developed by the Nigeria Police Force and other security agencies for the 2023 Presidential Inauguration Ceremony. The inauguration is scheduled to take place on Monday, May 29, 2023 at the Eagle Square in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Since the conclusion of the 2023 general elections and the announcement of the president-elect, security has been built up throughout the country. We have formed specific plans for the inauguration ceremony as contained in the operation order, which will provide enhanced protection while allowing invited guests, well-meaning Nigerians, and international community to witness the laudable event. We work hand in hand and in collaboration with all levels of government, private sectors, the Nigerian Armed Forces, and other security agencies to ensure the safety and security of all citizens and having a laudable and seamless inauguration ceremony on May 29, 2023. The Nigeria Police Force is mobilizing its operatives to provide a comprehensive security arrangement. Adequate personnel have been detailed to protect the following areas, including the presidential villa, security at and around the Eagle Square, to man all the Nigerian borders, seaports, and airports, while others will equally be deployed to man the entry and exit points of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, and other critical government installations. Amongst these operatives from Nigerian Police Force are those that are drawn from Nigerian Police Special Forces, Police Mobile Force, PMF, Counter-Terrorism Unit, CTU, Special Protection Unit, SPU, and Anti-Bomb, that is EOD, FIB Intelligence Response Team, that's IRT, FIB Special Tactical Squad, that is STS, and personnel from the Force Intelligence Bureau. Also, Nigerian Police Medical Unit personnel, Nigerian Police Mounted Troops, and K9 personnel, amongst others, are also deployed for this assignment. The Nigerian Police Force has also deployed all its serviceable helicopters and highly efficient drones for area surveillance to give support in Abuja and its environs. All Nigerian Police Force serviceable water cannons and armor personnel carriers will as well be deployed to man strategic places around the capital city. Police and other security operatives will be located along routes to and from the inauguration grounds. During the event, we will be taking rigorous safety measures on the persons entering the venue, which includes screening and searches, and take charge of traffic control in collaboration with the protocol subcommittee of the transition committee to have seamless traffic flow. In line with the outlined activities to commemorate the inauguration ceremony, there will be Jumat prayers on Friday, May 26, 2023, at the Central Mosque, Abuja. There will be a church service on Sunday, May 28, 2023, at Ecumenical Center in Abuja. And there will be fireworks show at about 12:01 hours on May 29th, Monday, 2023, at the City Gates, Abuja. Nigerians are on this note advised not to panic due to the fireworks show, as we'll be hearing heavy bangs and sounds from the show. There's no cause for alarm. In view of the above, the Nigerian Police hereby warns Nigerians who do not have any business around the vicinity during the ceremony to stay clear as security measures are in place to ensure sanity and orderliness. The police wishes to equally inform the general public that there will be diversions in the following areas: Goodluck Jonathan Express by Court of Appeal, Deeper Life Junction, Bonds to Total Filling Station, Power FCDA Junction, Finance Junction by ECOWAS, Women Affairs, then Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Eagle Square Phase 1 and 2, Call Mohammed Ways to the National Mosque, Abia House, United Junction by Ademola Adetokunbo, Ghana Junction and Tranco Hilton Hotel, Bayelsa House by Federal High Court, Aso Drive, Sedi Plaza, NNPC Twin Tower, and NNPC NBS. We therefore urge members of the public to cooperate with the police for a seamless transition of power. The inauguration ceremonies at all state levels have also been catered for, as the Inspector General of Police has directed Command Commissioners of Police and other security agencies to carry out heavy deployment to 45 venues of the inauguration ceremonies in their various states. In line with the provisions of the Nigerian Police Operation Order prepared by the Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of operations on behalf of the IGP, the overall commander of this operation, this special duty for the inauguration ceremony, is Inspector General of Police, Federal Republic of Nigeria, IGP Usman Alkali Baba CFR, who will be assisted by the Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of the Department of Operations, DIG Adeleke Adeyinka Bode MNI, and other co-opted heads of operations of other security agencies. The Inspector General of Police, therefore, urges all citizens to adhere to the rules and regulations as regards the inauguration. He also reminds good citizens of Nigeria to report any suspicious activity or persons to the police or other relevant security agencies. The police, therefore, warns non-state actors or any aggrieved groups or individuals to please follow due process and the rule of law in seeking redress in their cases, as the law enforcement agencies will not hesitate to subdue any confrontational act or any act of insecurity before, during, and immediately after the presidential inauguration. It is very important to reiterate here that based on activities, conversations on social media, and to an extent certain intelligence from intelligence community, that some people are planning to foment trouble during the inauguration or to come around to jeopardize our security arrangements. This we will not tolerate. We will not put our hands and allow anybody to jeopardize our democracy or to jeopardize our transition to new government in Nigeria on that day, even beyond May 29. If you have any issue, please follow the process to seek redress in court, or follow the process to make sure you don't engage in any acts that will truncate the security arrangement towards a place towards the inauguration come May 29, 2023. In conclusion, to ensure the safety and security of all Nigerians, our well-meaning people, our invited guests who are coming to witness the ceremony, we ask all citizens to support the police and be law-abiding, particularly in area of traffic control and most of the diversions we have. Police operatives and other security agents are being detailed to man these points. Please cooperate with them. Listen to these traffic advices we are giving to you. It's for the good of all of us. And then Nigerian police is committed to ensuring a safe and secure Nigeria before, during and after the inauguration, as is our collective responsibility to sustain our democracy in Nigeria. Thank you. I remain blessed.
That